In today's digital landscape, scammers are becoming more sophisticated, blending urgency, fake security threats, and cleverly forged identities to trick even the most cautious individuals. At first glance, this email seems legitimate. It looks like it's from a PayPal entity, but there's one big problem. The sender's email address isn't from PayPal's official domain. Real PayPal emails always come from apaypal.com. This one doesn't. Scammers often use fake invoices and documents to lure you into clicking on suspicious links or opening attachments. These may lead you to phishing sites designed to steal your information. The email claims there's a suspicious payment on your PayPal account, $799.99 for a Bitcoin purchase. This is a classic tactic. The attackers hope to create panic by using high-stakes transactions. Don't call the number listed. It's not PayPal's official support line, and it's likely an attempt to scam you further. Real PayPal will never contact you this way. Here's how you can spot the difference. Real PayPal emails are clearly formatted, have official PayPal branding, and always use trusted contact details. The scam email looks unprofessional, has a strange sender address, and asks for urgent action. Never click on links or download attachments from unsolicited emails. Always go directly to the official website or use the PayPal app to check your account activity. Phishing scams like this can cause serious harm. These emails are designed to steal your personal information or financial details. Here's how to protect yourself. First, check the sender's email address. If it's not from paypal.com, it's a red flag. Second, don't click on suspicious links. Instead, go directly to the official site or use the app. Third, contact PayPal directly through their official customer support if you suspect fraudulent activity. And finally, report phishing attempts to PayPal and block the sender immediately. Taking a few extra moments to verify emails or phone numbers can save you from falling into a scam. Stay vigilant, always verify before you act. In an age where deception is just a click away, knowledge is your first line of defense. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't get hooked by phishing scams.